I'm really fed up to stay in the urban city such as Milano because I was staying for over 5 months in Milano and I just stayed there. So in the city there are a lot of many cars and peoples and like higher buildings like skyscrapers. Yeah, like as first 2 months, yeah, it's okay to stay there, but it's very fed up to living there. So today I escaped, evacuated from that our city, and then today I came to the Lecco. It's full of the nature and full of the natural mountains and lake and less people. Actually here there are also tourists, but anyway it's less than Milano, so it's no problem. See, and I can smell something like sea. Yeah, it's kind of salty. I don't know why, but so as you can see that this local city, the Lecco, is actually a bit small, but it's full of like Italians goodness. I mean like a church, chiesa, and then like this chime, and like mountains and lake, and then the warmer people. I love here. Anyway, so this place, Lecco, is actually one part of the one lake, Como Lake. You can see this larger lake, but it's just one part. So actually the whole of the Como Lake is over 20 times of this area. So can you imagine how large it is? I don't know like which mountain I'm gonna climb today. Maybe that one, or that mountain over the chime, or the mountains over the buildings, but we cannot see here from here. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty. I'm excited. Now I really feel like I'm living in Europe. It's so splendid.
Adesso devo prendere questo perché non voglio perdere il film.
Grazie mille signore.
Oggi è domenica.
Domenica, quindi
I pullman
non c'è autobus oppure...
ci sono sempre, però non come in settimana. In settimana
ok,
ogni
sì.
20 minuti ne passa uno.
Sì.
Ma la domenica sono un po' scarsi come quello che prendo io. Stamattina
Allora...
guardi,
a questo. Grazie mille.
vai lì, c'è su, c'è tutto.
Yeah. 16 minuti,
vedi,
via Montello.
Il Manedo sono via. Tra 20 minuti.
In 20 minuti, ok.
È
È
il
lungo.
numero 5.
Lungo tempo.
È il numero 5.
Numero 5.
Sì.
Ok, grazie mille.
Ciao,
Grazie signore.
ciao, buona giornata.
Buona giornata, buon weekend. Now I'm waiting for the bus because a guy told me there is a special transportation to heading up the mountain. Wait a cable car.